Hello and welcome to this transmission of Daiji Global Pan Vision. First, the headlines from abroad. Indian pop sensation Remo Fernandez rocks Dubai. Kannada Kuta, Kuwait holds World Kannada Convention. Local news. Museum of Folk Arts opened at Manipal Heritage Village. Cops recover valuables worth Rs 25 lakhs from the notorious couple. St. Aloysius Higher Primary School celebrates annual day. And in our entertainment part, we have the 14th episode of the super hit Konkani play To Maka Naka. Now the news in detail. Remo Fernandez, a pioneer and exponent of Indian pop music, was in Dubai on Friday, November 30th evening. Remo, a pop singer credited with introducing the world of pop and rock music to India, enthralled the audience at the Asian Rock Fusion. Music buffs in Dubai had a great time on Friday, November 30th, as they danced to the tunes of the popular pop singer Remo Fernandez at the Asian Rock Fusion held at the Wonderland in Dubai. Desert Angels, led by Ryan Rodrigues, the team member of Portun Lavzala fame, gave a perfect start to the great evening. The Ocean Kids and the Gypsies, the most popular Sri Lankan band, performed on the stage. Then came Padma Shri Remo Fernandez, clad in the white kurta and green pajamas, to enthrall the audience. Remo sang the work of his kid sister Belinda, who was incidentally among the audience. He was joined by the Sri Lankan Gypsies singing Goan and Sinhalese songs. Sunil and Remo for the first time shared the stage. Kannadigas in Kuwait, under the banner of Kannada Kuta, Kuwait showed their love towards Kannada language by organizing two-day World Kannada Cultural Convention in Kuwait. The cultural fiesta began with a grand inaugural ceremony held on Friday, November 30th. The Grand World Kannada Cultural Convention was inaugurated on Friday, November 30th at Dr. Kamal Al Rais Auditorium of American International School, Kuwait. Kuwait Kannada Kuta, led by its president Sudhakar Shetty, hosted the two-day event. Rashtra Kavi Shri G.S. Shivarudrappa was the convention president. M. Ganapati, ambassador of Kuwait, Ahmad Al Saleh, chairman KCS Kuwait, B.R. Shetty, industrialist Abu Dhabi, C.T. Ravi, MLA, Dr. K.A. Ashok Pai and Mahesh Joshi were the chief guests. Eminent personalities from Karnataka, C.R. Simha, Sandhya Pai, Manase Prasad, H. Rangaya, writer Prakash Payar, Rajashri, Sahana Bhatt and Sri Ramachandra were honoured. Cultural programs were conducted throughout the event by famous visiting troops from Karnataka. Poetry session and literary programs were held. Undivided Dakshina Kannada district is rich with folk culture and various rituals associated with the worship of folk deities. Hasta Shilpa Trust in Manipal has opened a museum to preserve the vanishing folk culture at its heritage village. This unique museum was inaugurated on Friday, November 30th. A heritage village is taking shape on 6 acres of land bordering Manapala Lake in Manipal with the help of the government of Norway. The village recreates 19th century houses depicting the aesthetic lifestyle of this region of Karnataka. Hasta Shilpa Trust has plans to open 8 museums that display the traditional arts, crafts, painting and textiles of the region at its heritage village. On Friday, November 30th, Second Secretary of Embassy of Finland, Anna-Kaisa Heineken, inaugurated the Museum of Folk Arts, the first among the 8 proposed museums.
Two things that I find particularly impressive here. The first one is, of course, the content, the fact that we have architecture and arts collected, which was about to disappear, which has been saved, which has been brought here, which has been put up in a most beautiful and representative manner. But even more impressive, I find the dedication, of course, particularly of Mr. Shenoy, but then of course of the whole trust. This is a proof that individuals indeed can make a difference, and small deeds can have big effect in the long run, and the world can indeed.
The museum houses hundreds of life-size wooden structures of folk deities like Koti Chanaya, Bobarya, Abaga Daraga, Khantabare, Buddhabare worshipped in the coastal district. It has been a practice among the people to discard the centuries-old wooden idols, metal icons, stone statues and terracotta figures when they get damaged or developed cracks. The damaged portraits of wood, stone and terracotta are thrown into water streams. These structures have been collected from different places including Tantradi. Some of them are 1,000-year-old structures. The museum has been set up with the support of Embassy of Finland in New Delhi. Inaugurating the museum, Heikkinen said that she had visited the heritage village for the first time in April 2005.
I came here for the first time 2.5 years ago in April 2005. Then to see a project, one of the projects we had been supporting from the embassy in Delhi for a few years already. I must say that this is a great honor also for the Finnish government to have been supporting such a project. It is an extremely rare project that I saw already 2.5 years ago, and even more so today when the museum is completed.
The architect of the Heritage Village and the secretary of Hasta Shilpa Trust, Vijayanath Shenoy, and Mohandas Pai, Rajesh Pai were present. This museum is perhaps the largest and most unique in India in respect of volume, space, number and variety of objects, rare character of the exhibits and imaginative display. Public would be allowed to visit these galleries and other buildings in the Heritage Village after the completion of project by the end of next year. Vijayanath Shenoy and his team must receive kudos for their effort in preserving the past for the future. Well, it's time for us to take a short break here. After the break, we have news about the arrest of the notorious couple. So don't miss it. Stay tuned to us.
ಮುಕ್ತಿಧರ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ವಾಜ್ರ ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಮುಡಿಪು ಇದರ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವವು 2007ರ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 4, 5 ಹಾಗೂ 6ರಂದು ಜರುಗಲಿರುವುದು. ಹೊರೆ ಕಾಣಿಕೆಗಳ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 2ರಂದು, ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 4ರಂದು, ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 5ರಂದು ದಿವ್ಯ ಬಲಿಪೂಜೆ, ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 6ರಂದು ಸಾಂಭ್ರಮಿಕ ಬಲಿಪೂಜೆ. ಭಕ್ತಾದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಆದರದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಕೋರುವ ಧರ್ಮಗುರುಗಳು, ಚರ್ಚ್ ಪಾಲನಾ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಸಮಿತಿ ಮುಡಿಪು.
Montero Textiles has wide collections of suitings of well-known brands including Raymond Suitings, Dinesh, Digjam and Gwalior Suiting, Arvind, Oxford, BSL Suitings. Jeans, corduroy, imported materials and ladies suit materials are also available with us. Montero Textiles, Sarja Complex near Shetty Traders, Milagres Crossroad, Ampankatta, Mangalore.
Garcia Designs. We have 100% imported furniture sourced from different countries, available at unbelievable and affordable prices. A wide range of home furniture such as sofa sets, dining table set, center table, corner table, toilet stand, TV cabinets, study tables, sofa cum bed, wardrobe, double cot, dressing table, a bedside table, metal bed, etc. Elegant office furniture like executive chairs and tables, visitor chairs, bar chairs, computer tables and chairs are available. Apart from this, we have different range of home packages too. Visit Garcia Designs, exclusive imported furniture store, Vijay Church Road, Vijay, Mangalore.
Welcome back after the break. Dakshina Kannada police have arrested the notorious couple who were absconding after murdering an old lady and robbing the house near Uppinangadi. Dakshina Kannada district police have seized valuables worth Rs 25 lakh from the couple who allegedly murdered a woman and robbed the house of Krishna Raj, a jeweler in Uppinangadi. The couple Girish and Parvati were working as the domestic servants at Krishna Raj's house. On October 27, the couple murdered Bharati and fastened other two women, Vani and Sunanda, who were present at the house located in Kuvachar under the limits of Kadaba police station and fled away with the valuables. The accused were absconding since then. The police arrested the couple last week in Mumbai. Western Range IGP A.M. Prasad told the press persons on Friday, November 30th, that the notorious couple used to change their names wherever they worked as domestic servants.
ಇದು ಮರ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗೇನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ವರ್ತ್ 25 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕಳ್ತನಾಗಿದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಒಬ್ಬ ಹೆಂಗಸು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕೊಲೆ ಆಗಿ ಇವರು ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಗಳು ಬಂದು ಕೊಲೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ASP ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಒಂದು ತಂಡ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಟೀಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಹಳ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದರು.
During year-end, the school campuses buzz with the hectic cultural activities. St. Aloysius College Higher Primary School celebrated their annual day on Thursday, November 29th at the school premises. We have a report on this. St. Aloysius College Higher Primary School celebrated its annual day at the school premises on Thursday, November 29th. The program started with the school choir singing melodious songs and hymns. The chief guest, Dr. Derek Robo, retired regional advisor, Southeast Asia, United Nations, World Health Organization, stated that primary school teachers play an important role in shaping the personality of a child.
You know, as students, we dream a lot, we imagine a lot, we build castles in the air. For example, when we see a movie, we think one day we will become like Amitabh Bachchan. When we see cricket, we think one day we will become a Gavaskar or Rahul Dravid. When we pass by the house of a rich man, we think we will be one day richer than the owner of that house. I did all those imaginations.
Patsy Lobo, facilitator of the Teacher Foundation, gave away the prizes. Father Francis Sarao, Rector St. Aloysius Institutions, presided over the function. Father Clifford Sequeira, the school correspondent, and headmistress Philomena Lewis were present on the occasion. Well, it seemed kids had a great annual day this time at St. Aloysius School.
ಮುಕ್ತಿಧರ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ವಾಜ್ರ ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಮುಡಿಪು. ಇದರ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವವು 2007ರ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 4, 5 ಹಾಗೂ 6ರಂದು ಜರುಗಲಿರುವುದು. ಹೊರೆ ಕಾಣಿಕೆಗಳ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 2ರಂದು, ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 4ರಂದು, ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 5ರಂದು ದಿವ್ಯ ಬಲಿಪೂಜೆ, ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 6ರಂದು ಸಾಂಭ್ರಮಿಕ ಬಲಿಪೂಜೆ. ಭಕ್ತಾದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಆದರದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಕೋರುವ ಧರ್ಮಗುರುಗಳು, ಚರ್ಚ್ ಪಾಲನಾ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಸಮಿತಿ ಮುಡಿಪು.
काळजाच्या या हालतारी भेटला तुका मोगा
चिंता चिंतून लिहिता
देखला एकले बाय सुबीत माणिक हाय आजा पोरी दिसला माणिक मोगाचे काणिक देवाचे माकास तू निर्मिल्ले तुझ्या आणि तुझ्या मध्ये कोण दुश्मन बाय सांग मका एका स्मरा स्वप्नानी तुका हांव देखतलो दायना ओ ओ दायना
वर्सां जाली दोन 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 मोग तुजो करून
चेडू सोबायेचे ताचे दोळे ते माजराचे पयल्याच दिसतीन रे मुझे काळी
Anyway, that's all we had in our kitty today. Next time when we meet, we will bring you some more news and entertainment programs. I, Patsy Lobo, sign off from you. So take care. Bye.